Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do keyword research in SEMrush in 2024. Keyword research is the foundation of any successful SEO strategy, and SEMrush offers some of the best tools for finding the right keywords to target. So I'll guide you through the process of finding some high traffic, low competition keywords to boost your website's ranking. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use it where you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section. And of course, you would like to go to semrush.com and hit the enter button. If it's your first time, of course, you'll be taken to this page. So semrush.com, you'll be taken to this page. Here you'll find yourself, you can click on login to log into your account if you have an account, and if you don't have an account, you can click on sign up instead. Of course, you'll be able to use a Google account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. So once you're logged in, you should find yourself here. Basically, this is kind of the dashboard. And yeah, once you're logged in, of course, we'll need, first of all, if you want to do some keyword research in SEMrush, you'll need to access the keyword overview tool. So on this left-hand sidebar, you will need to go to keyword research. Where can you find that, for example? Basically, if you don't want to keep looking, you can simply use this Control F and type keyword and research. Sorry, I missed type it. So research. As you can see, you'll find it right here. So as we said, we want to go to the keyword research or keyword overview. So as you can see, here is it, keyword research, keyword overview. So just go and click on that. This tool basically gives you some detailed analysis of some specific keywords that you want to research. So in here, you can, in the keyword overview search bar, you can enter a keyword or phrase that you want to research. You can analyze a single keyword or multiple keywords by separating them with commas. So if you want to enter multiple keywords, you can type just, I don't know, maybe cups as example. So space wouldn't work as example. So it will count it. Even if you keep clicking on space, whatever you want, it will count it as one word. So you'll have to separate them by commas. Oh, sorry. So if you type a comma, it will not show in here, as you can see, but it will go to the new line. So you can type your new word, same, comma, new words, comma, new word, and it will go to a new line, etc. So an example here, I don't know, I'll just type maybe recipe. Okay, you don't write recipe like that for sure, but there's any spell thing, how to, so recipe or something like that. I'm not sure if it's written like that, so let's just see. Yeah, recipe. So it just like that, yeah, without the I in here or E. So recipe as example, I'll just choose this keyword, this only keyword. Of course, you can type a long sentence. That's why they allow this space, so you can type afterwards or after it as well. So other than that, of course, once you enter that, or once you enter all the keywords maybe that you want, maybe as an example, if you're writing about digital marketing, you can type that keyword into the search bar. Maybe here you can type digital marketing strategies, as example. So strategies, you can do that. I'll do also, as example, this recipe because we know how to write it right now, right? And yeah, of course, you can choose also the geographic location or country basically you're targeting from your search results. As example in here, you can also enter a domain for personalized data if you want to. You can select the location depending on the country that you choose from here. But as you can see, to select the exact location or state or city, you will need basically for data plan a better plan. But for in general countries, you can look for, I don't know, should we just look for India as example? Of course, you don't type India like that. Maybe as example, Morocco in here. I don't know, maybe Spain, maybe France as example, etc. Right? So just type whatever you want, then click on search. Once you click on search as example, As you can see, they'll tell you if you want to start your 7 days free trial, because on the free plan, you'll not be able to use it. But for you, basically, just go and click on get your free trial. If you're gonna use it like just, I don't know, right now, and you're not gonna use it again, you can also like see the plans and pricing and see which like plans or pricing suits your needs. Of course, this is the plans and pricing. So it comes for with all the tools, I guess. And of course, this is if you pay monthly. If you pay like annually or yearly, as you can see, you will get like, I don't know, maybe 10% discount or something like that, which is good, right? Of course, you can even here see more details about each plan. It's up to you to choose whatever suits you, right? So yeah, of course, just go and enter your keyword and click on get a free trial. If you already have a plan, you'll find basically your analysis in here that you're looking for. And that's how you basically do your keyword research. Of course, from those results, you can start analyzing the keyword overview results. The keyword overview tool will display like some details here, information about the keyword, including like some search volume, like how many search the keyword gets per month, like keyword difficulty, which is the percentage, which is a score that indicates how hard it is to rank for this keyword. A higher score means more competition. And the CPC, which is cost per click, of course, this is useful for paid search campaigns, showing the average price advertisers pay for a click on this keyword. Of course, also there's the CERP features, which is shows whether special features like feature snips, videos, or local tags appear for the keyword, and also trends, like a graph showing the keyword search volume trends over the past 12 months. You can even see it if you want more like dates for the trends. You can do that in Google like trends. So you can go to trends.google.com and you can look for the specific like word as example, maybe recipe as example or something like that. Yeah. And you can look on a specific country as example. So United States as example. So United States in here for Google Trends, you don't have to pay. So you can even specify like categories, the day, like this is past day, you can do like past 5 years and you'll be able to see it like when is it searched a lot, like exactly maybe in here, and etc. And yeah, that should be it. Like you can, of course, for you now start exploring some related like keywords. If you scroll down your normally they will give you some related keywords, and you can filter these keywords by search volume, keyword difficulty, CPC, to see the best that suits your need. And you can use the keyword magic tool, of course, in depth research. I guess it's this one, like they have like another tool for that, which is actually, or maybe you'll find this in here. So yeah, this magic tool, which is actually very, very good as well to analyze the keyword difficulty, evaluate the complete search keyword, build like a keyword list, track keyword performance, and local keyword research if you want to, as example, and also export your data. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.